Question 15 is about how antibiotics become less effective. It means there is talking about the resistance to antibiotics. First, remember how antibiotics works. Okay, we have bacteria here. For the antibiotics, you want to kill all the bacteria, but if unluckily not all the bacteria is being killed, the remaining bacteria will be more adapted to the antibiotics, and this remaining bacteria will reproduce, and then all the bacteria will become just more adapted to the antibiotics, and in other words, we can say resistance is developed among the bacteria. But remember, it is not causing the bacteria to mutate or causing the bacteria to change. It's just a natural selection. So no mutation of the bacteria, no change of the bacteria. Just choose the most adapted ones to survive. So look at the options A to D. Which one is correct? Think about it. Yes, the answer is D. The better adapted is survived and increases by the number. Thank you.